I'm very happy to be here tonight. Thank you to Foothill for giving us the opportunity to sponsor this, and looking forward to the discussion.
Now we have a guest from Foothill Venture to deliver a quick opening keynote about Foothill Venture and also our AI and photonic investment journey.
The first time when I heard Google is roughly 27 years ago, when I was still a student at Stanford.
Welcome to the Google MPD 237 campus. Yes, my name is Amy Chen. You can find my name on every one of the badge of everyone.
But First Citizens Bank is a top 20 U.S. bank, and it has $220 billion in assets.
Technology that has maybe sovereign importance. I think there has to be a balanced view that we here in the United States have to be the global leader.
I was curious from your vantage, where coming out of the university where everything's non-dilutive funded, and many of these companies get started in that way.
Can you maybe just share what's the motivation of you jumping in into the startup Ever Do Again? What kind of problems are you trying to bring the solution to the industry and to the world?
Had come out and looked pretty exciting. I've always been very interested in AI, and figured that one day I would somehow.
It's actually a very well-known material, but it's integrated in a new way. That's very similar to silicon photonics.
We have multiple paths for volume manufacturing, and also another path for quick-turn prototyping, so that we're not hamstrung by the long cycle times of the foundries, so that we can iterate fast, get the concepts baked in, and then in parallel.